Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trust Wallet app for beginners. Trust Wallet is a leading mobile cryptocurrency wallet, offering a secure and convenient way to manage your digital assets. It supports an impressive array of over 1 million digital assets across many different blockchains. You can easily send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies, and even explore decentralized applications directly from your phone. It is designed to be user-friendly for everyone. To begin, download the official Trust Wallet app from your device's App Store. Once installed, you will create a new wallet. The most critical step here is to carefully back up your recovery phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that acts as your master key. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe, offline location. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never share it with anyone under any circumstances. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button, select the desired cryptocurrency, and share your unique wallet address with the sender. To send, tap Send, input the recipient's address, and specify the amount. It is absolutely crucial to double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction. Also, be mindful of network fees, which are small charges that vary depending on the specific blockchain network you are using. Beyond basic storage, Trust Wallet offers exciting advanced features. You can access decentralized applications, or dApps, directly through the in-app browser. This opens up a world of possibilities for trading, lending, and even gaming. Additionally, you can stake certain supported cryptocurrencies to earn passive rewards over time. However, always conduct thorough research on any dApp or staking pool before committing your funds to ensure you understand the risks involved and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.